Welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. It can be frustrating and confusing when you suspect someone has cut you off, but there are several ways to check. Let's dive into the steps you can take to find out if you've been blocked. First, search for their account. Open Instagram and use the search bar to type the username of the person you suspect has blocked you. If their profile doesn't appear in the search results, it's a strong indication that they may have blocked you. Next, check their profile from messages. Go to your direct messages and find the conversation with that person. Tap on their username to view their profile. If you see user not found or can't see their posts, it's likely you've been blocked. Now let's look at their profile and posts. If you can find their profile, but can't see any of their posts, followers, or following count, and it says no posts yet, they might have blocked you. Next, check the follow button. Try to follow them. If the follow button doesn't work, or you get an error message when you attempt to follow them, it's a sign that you might be blocked. Lastly, examine comments and tags. Check if you can see their comments on your posts or if you can tag them in a new post. If you can't see their comments or can't tag them, it's possible they've blocked you. That's it. By following these steps, you should have a clearer idea of whether someone has blocked you on Instagram. Remember, while it can sting to be blocked, it's also a chance to focus on your own Instagram experience without any negativity.